we are given a function f of x equals the square root of x minus 1 plus 10 for domain starting at -1 to infinity. And we need to find the inverse function of f of x, and we also need to find its domain. So let's rewrite f of x, and let's take f inverse on both sides of this equation. So on the left side we will obviously have x, but on the right side we will have f inverse of square root of x minus 1 plus 10. Well, now let's assume that square root of x minus 1 plus 10 equals y. Then square root of x minus 1 equals y minus 10. Then x minus 1 equals y minus 10 squared. Then x equals y minus 10 squared plus 1. Now we will go back to this equation right here, and we will substitute this expression that we got for x. So we will get y minus 10 squared plus 1 equals f inverse of x of square root of x minus 1 plus 10. Plus 10. Again, x minus 1 plus 10 is y, so this equals y. So we can rewrite it as y minus 10 squared plus 1 equals f inverse of y. So now we have found our inverse function. We have found that f inverse of some number of x or y equals x minus 10 squared plus 1. So this is our inverse function. And now we need to write down the domain of this function, which is the interval starting at 1 to infinity.